Hello. Today, the format's a little different because I just received this package, and I'm gonna do an unboxing. And I don't usually do unboxings because there's not much to unbox, but here we have something different. So this is from Ranga Pens. I ordered this earlier in the year, before all our troubling times now, I suppose. So this was 38 American dollars before shipping on Ranga Pen's website. Free shipping was offered before, but due to the ongoing circumstances, they have to rely on, at least for international customers, they have to rely on alternative courier arrangements. So prices would be different accordingly. But feel free to go look it up. This is a model. I'm expecting a Model 9B. I hope it's correct. So let's begin. The address is on the other end, and I haven't blotted it out. So uh, let's hope I don't mess this up. Okay. So I'm trying to preserve the cloth as much as possible, and my knife is not quite sharp enough, so let's switch to scalpel blade or X-Acto knife clone. Cheap one at least. Can I get this to show? Yes. As you can see, I am obviously not a trained medical professional or a proper artist by any means, but I think I can get this out safely. If you can hear the rain in the background, that's because it's finally raining after uh, I wouldn't say drought, but it's a bit of a dry spell. Okay, there we go. Um, so that wasn't much of a cut other than the original, and now I can sort of tuck it out, and okay, it's okay, just a bit more. And this is just okay, almost there. A few gold straight threads, and I think the stubborn last bit. Almost caught a glimpse of the address. No good. You see, I need more practice, but and off comes the cloth. And what do we have? Newspaper. That's interesting. I understand Ranga Pens is situated in Tamil Nadu. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Is this their state newspaper? Oh, I can read about it later. Maybe you can. Well, it's the same everywhere, I guess. Or at least in most places. Unfortunate. Remember, kids, don't place your knife pointing towards you. Oh, I can just, might as well just, how do people do this? I have no idea. See, this is why I don't tend not to do unboxing. Oh, and well, that's a rather nice looking case. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Let's put this down and put this away before I shed blood or something. At least not intentionally. So it has a little nice button clasp which we can open, and inside what we have. Is that the right color? Hmm. I am quite sure I did not order this. Well, I can look it up later. But well, here's can look here. Here is a free pen they've thrown in. What does it say? Oliver exam. There's a Oliver steel nib, I see. Hmm. Interesting. But let's put this away because this is appreciated, but not the main character. So what do you have? The 9B in ebonite. You can see Ranga on the clip. I got the silver one. They have a gold option, but the reason I picked this is because it's I got the Canwright flex nib. Look at that. This should be a eyedropper filler only. I don't think there's a way to add a converter. I don't know. Probably not. No, there's no way to add a converter for this, I think. Oop. Little bits of leftover from the manufacturing process, I think. But it's definitely a striking pen. I originally wanted a black and red, so it looked like some of the older pieces, but I saw at least the color and then the picture, and it looked interesting. This is I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but rather striking. Let's put it back together. Oh, the threads are hand chased. One of the rare few artisans who still do this in this day and age, which is part of the selling point. Which also means that it's more intricate than I'm used to. So I gotta hold on. I also tend to put my mineral grease on this. Silicone, sorry, not mineral. Well, they're similar, but I'm bantering. Let's put this back on. More intricate than I'm used to, I'm sure. Well, I don't have many ebonite pens, so this will be a pleasant addition. I'll have the review up hopefully soon. I'm trying my best. Times are not that good, so I hope I don't. I hope I don't have to sell this. But it's definitely an interesting pen. Does it line up? Yes, it does. Interesting, very interesting pen. At least for me. Pens are always subjective. So anyway, that's all for this. Oh, we've run over time. This unboxing. So well, take care. Stay safe in this very wild world. Bye.